Okay, welcome back, everyone. I just received 2 packages today, and I was really hoping I could just rest, but no. No. So, one is a return package from Dave. I've got my Sivkas back, as well as a IEM cable and my Monoprice 9927s. He also added in 2 goodies. The Nismo Juniors and the Biodynamic Soulbirds. Who has an ear canal that tiny, by the way? Seriously, that is teeny, tiny lady, itty bitty. Oh, no replaceable cable though, that sucks. So, fun fact by the way, if I'm getting goodies from other people, or you decide for whatever reason, out of the kindness of your diseased imagination, thinking, feeling, heart thing, that I should try out some of your stuff, you don't have to send packaging. I know some of the people that watch Dave's content really get upset by that kind of thing. I would like to make it very clear. So long as the IEMs are sent intact, quite frankly, unless it's notable, good or bad, the stock cable doesn't have to be included. The tips sure as hell don't have to be included, because unless they're like really interesting, like the Soulbird ones, I might actually try some of those just because they're like cones. But typically I use my tips. God, you're just raring to go, aren't you there, little buddy? Calm down now, calm down. Okay, so I also bought a couple of really special headphones. And let's get you further back. Okay, so one of them came in today. One of them. So you know how I've been enjoying my tapes, yes? Fun fact, really quick, side note for the tapes. If you try to force it open, you're going to have a bad time, okay? Gentle is the man that wins the goal. Calm is the heart that warms the soul. This is how you open the Beetle Green M&M of audio. Yeah, there you go. There's your Zen moment. Okay, so the box is literally too big to fit, but yes, it's those. Thank you, by the way, Hi-Fi Dream. M&M, you M&M. I mean, technically, yeah, that's referring to your username. But Hi-Fi gave me an insanely good deal. Let me buy them off of him for a really good deal. I think he undercut Mass Drop by like, I don't know, 80 bucks, 70 bucks, 50, 70 bucks. And I'm talking about like their $400 deal. Lightly used, he really enjoys them. They come with top packing foam, which I may keep intact for now, because these very much might just go to Dave, because he was super tempted. Dave, I beat you. I beat you to him, Dave. Don't worry, I'm willing to share. I really am sorry for the creaky chair. I tighten it, I lube it. I could try banging it, but that might hurt me. This is what the inside of the box looks like. This one's kind of a special, might as well. These are your accessories. This is that Energizer. It's actually really light. God, it's light. The earphones are stacked in there. Come on. Stop fighting! Ah, here we are. Check that out. It's a biggin. It's a biggin. Big boy. Yes, it is in size comparison to the tape M&M. Pretty good size if I do say so myself. So. Well, that just pooped out. Looks like, it feels like there are rollers of some kind. Or something in there to help it move and transition along the inside of the headband. Nifty spiffy. Let's see. Is there... here's the left-right delineation. So the cool part is it really doesn't matter which way I put this on. It just goes. Oh, these are branded Mass Drop still. In fact, everything is branded Mass Drop. Ah. There we go. You just depress the button here, and then doop, it right in. Love that little sliding mechanism. Oh, finally, some E-Stat headphones. I don't know if I'll be whelmed or overwhelmed or underwhelmed, but I guess we'll find out. The connector looks good. Oh, of course. I'm gonna have to use some rubber bands and definitely invest in a better energizer. Eventually. Comes with a reasonably short cord. An extension cord, actually, like a really fucking long one. So, that's it for the unboxing portion. Let me test some stuff, and I'll be right back. Hold up, I've got to open this. Blah. Simple chintzy right angle. Simple chintzy auxiliary. Frankly fucking heavy brick. Okay. David, I love you very much. I really and truly do, but you have got to stop sending me IEMs. I have 14 IEMs now and 11 or 12 full-size headphones to process. Oh, God. Initial impressions. These are very mid-centric so far as I can tell. Have a nice little bit of slam and a little bit of LFE to go on top of it. And nice, honestly clean, somewhat crispy highs. Very little listening was done. Just little. I didn't have time. I burnt it all on the Koss. Soulbirds are interesting. Kind of like them. I don't know if they're my thing yet completely, but initial impressions are honestly not bad. Don't know how much they cost, but I kind of want some of those really funky conical tips. I'm actually pretty glad you included the conical tips. Probably going to use them very, very, very much. So, let's see. The Koss. Let's just say I'm really ostensibly glad that I have the Zendak. That true bass feature is... God, it's going to be really hard not to use it with the Koss because they actually have low frequency effect when you tell the lower frequencies to do their fucking job. Although you can't push it to obscene levels. The driver tries to crash and just... it's not pretty. So you have to inch it up and kind of figure it out. Initially, though, the more complex the music and the more reasonably well it's recorded and not as noisy, to be honest, generally the better it sounded. Could do metal really well without the true bass enhancement. Yeah, also still really clear. So, also really good if you really do actually want to experience electrostatic on the cheap. And I say cheap relativistically. We'll just say these are what, 150? Around 150? The shower tapes? Yeah, no. Initial between hearing just with the stock energizer and the Koss headphones themselves, the E-stats. Yeah, the shower tapes actually do maintain that level of detail that an electrostatic driver is known for, but for getting also the levels of bass that I could crank out of it with the true bass mode on the head, like the cans. Okay, that makes that a much better option. So, a little bit of a spoiler, I guess, there for the review, because it's going to be good. I just have to start quantifying the data. I can't just say, go out and buy these now, they're amazing. I really want to tell you how good they are, and so far I'm enjoying everything. Poor me is going to be getting himself the HD6XX later this week, so even more shit to deal with. I won't be reviewing a lot of the ones that people have already reviewed, like a lot, like the 6XX, but I will always give my thoughts. So far, initially, pretty good. I should have a way to actually record that mic pretty easily. LG's pretty amazing like that. So, yeah. Alright. Y'all have a wonderful day. So, let's get on with it, yes? Have a beautiful morning, a lovely afternoon, a wonderful, outstanding night. And may you rest up well, my children. Rejuvenate yourselves and travel far and wide within the realm of dreams, your personal dreamscape. So long as it leads you back to me, your favorite, the great wizard, Farsil. Steady on the draw. Ready? Poof.